I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both accounts are signed in and authorized. This grants Rekordbox access to your SoundCloud library. Once signed in, open Rekordbox and go straight to Preferences to enable the SoundCloud integration or service option. Make sure your internet is stable and that you have the latest app versions installed, because outdated builds block syncing. After enabling the service, authorize with your SoundCloud credentials following the pop-up prompts. You will see your SoundCloud collection begin to appear in Rekordbox's browser. Once your SoundCloud library shows up in Rekordbox, you'll import specific playlists or individual tracks by dragging them into Rekordbox playlists or a local folder. You should then run Analyze on the imported tracks so BPM, grid, and key data populate correctly. This enables accurate beat matching. Make sure your import preferences match your workflow. Choose whether to create local copies, convert streaming formats, or keep original metadata. If you plan to play offline, explicitly export to a local collection and confirm drive paths. To finish, confirm that your playlists and analyzed tracks are saved, and if required, export them to USB or enable Rekordbox's offline sync so device players can access them without internet. If tracks don't appear or metadata is wrong, first refresh the library and reauthorize SoundCloud and Rekordbox. Authorization lapses are a common cause. If problems persist, reanalyze the affected tracks or remove and re-import them. This usually fixes BPM and grid mismatches. Finally, restart Rekordbox and test playback before you're set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.